Let's fix this kid's head, man. Save him before he goes to school. Can't go to school like this, man.
What up, people? Please end the video because I really want to watch TV.
Right, Mateo decided to put gum in his hair last night. This is the results of gum hair. Ever get gum in your hair? Secret technique to take the gum out of your hair is peanut butter.
Peanut butter and brushes.
Water.
Yes, that's cold.
You being so extra. You're acting like you never got cold water in your hair before.
He's going to do my hair. Ooh, that's cool.
Sorry, we need to add more.
Ooh, that's cool.
The hair was really dry.
The hair was really dry.
Hair did get tangled up from last night because didn't add moisture back into it. Detangle it and add that moisture back in.
Gum.
This is not gum. This is Coco and Eve's leave-in conditioner. Let's go in with a little bit of this. Okay, what are you doing, bruh?
Doing my own hair.
So there, like that. Then, what you gotta do, you gotta take that.
You gotta rub it in, guys. Put it into your hair.
You got the idea. You're getting some on your face, man. I'm detangling the hair with the conditioner on my hand. The hair is wet.
If you're still with me, first off, thank you so much for watching. Also, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more videos that are gonna teach you about your curly, coily, tight textured hair.
Sit right here.
Oh my gosh, your hands are so cool.
Oh my goodness. All right, come right here. Put your feet underneath the table. All right. And
I want to put my feet on the table.
No, not happening. All right, dip your head down. Dip your head down. Oh my gosh. I got out most of the knots by finger detangling, but I gotta get out any of the rest, the remaining knots. I'm gonna use a Denman. I love Denman for this. Also, it helps with styling his curls as well. So we're gonna obviously start at the ends to make sure that we're not causing a lot of damage or breakage. And you see there still even was some knots, even though you can't see them, but I can definitely feel them coming out with the Denman as well. The areas of his hair is it's thin. You can see the scalp. Even without parting the hair, you can still see the scalp. So the density isn't really, it's not that thick. But what we can do is you can take the Denman and you can brush the hair away from the scalp. So not towards the scalp and downwards, make the hair look a little bit more full. The next product that I'm going to use is from Bounce Curl. It's the Plump and Define Cream. I love this stuff for his hair. No. This one is very generous. You don't need a lot at all. Rub it into your hands first.
I feel so good, actually.
Hold on, you're looking like a
chicken. I am a copier. Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's like Carlton Jr.
It's like Carlton Jr.
Alright, dip your head forward.
Alright, dip your head forward.
Working my hands through the hair, but I'm letting my fingers catch it to kind of give him a little bit of shape. But as my fingers catch the hair, it's kind of giving those curls the shape that I want.
Look at my mustache.
The thing is, I'm smoothing it in with my hand again to give the hair that shape, giving it one twist and letting it go. Continue to do that throughout the rest of the hair as well. Just
I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move. I'm like a rock star.
You see the difference? We saved this guy's life. Come on, so they can see your curls. Yeah. So you see like way more definition. I'm gonna link both the products. Leave-in. You wanna hold that one for me, buddy? Super definition that you've seen with Plump and Defining Cream from Bounce Curl.